Just go and touch some grass. Doom scrolling every day, every night, brick by brick, building your feet, and then crying at night that my life is falling apart. If that's you, this video is for you.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So you are telling me your schools have started or your colleges have already started and you are still busy doom scrolling on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube and your life is really a mess right now? Like, guys, are we serious? Like, really? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prachi Best Girl, and today I'll be sharing 5 tips with you all about how to actually escape brain rot and get your life back together. Because my first video, like I will link it somewhere here, actually did good, and a lot of people commented and told me personally that that video was really motivational and inspirational. So I thought, why not make a second version of it, like second part of it too. So here's the second part, and if you have not watched that video yet, of course, go and watch it before watching this entire video and watch it till the end because these two videos are really helpful. Tip number 1, the 5-minute rule. Most of the time, we are so lazy to start working or start studying that we tell ourselves that we will do it tomorrow, right? So promise yourself that you are only gonna do it for 5 minutes. Just say yourself that I'm only gonna study for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna go back to doom scrolling. And believe me, when you actually start studying for even 5 minutes, most of the time our brain catches the momentum and we would not want to go back to doom scrolling because we'll find a reason to actually continue studying, okay? So the first rule is to just start. So tip number 2 is what my English teacher would always tell us to do whenever we are going to start our studying is keep our phone in a separate room or just somewhere, give it to someone like your parents, okay, or keep it in a different room because our brain is so constantly stimulated that we are so addicted to our phone that if our phone is not near us, it's like we cannot breathe, okay? Our phone is like our child, like we have adopted or we have bought this child and we cannot stay without it. So whenever you're trying to study, keep your phone away at least for 30 minutes, okay? No notifications, no nothing, just keep it away. And believe me, you will feel so much more focused in your work when your phone is not around. Tip number 3, put your phone down, go to your table, take out all your books and copies, whichever you want to study, and then go and put like splash cold water on your face, and that will help you focus back because that will actually remove all the brain rot thing which you are going through. Because see, it's like I'm trying to break the momentum here of doom scrolling, okay? I'm just trying to give you all some things to do instead to forget your phone, okay, that your phone exists. So of course what you're gonna do is get up, splash cold water on your face, then you'll find a piece of cloth, right, like a towel to wipe your face, and that will help you to forget your phone for a while. And then the next thing you're going to do is not touch your phone but to directly touch your books and copies. The fourth point is go in a walk for like 10 minutes, okay? Just get outside of your room, and if you don't want to go outside of your house, you can just go to your balcony or your rooftop or like somewhere else away from your phone and just relax, see the nature, touch some grass, and then when you come back, you'll be so refreshed that you would actually want to do something else instead of doom scrolling. Tip number 5, the most important tip, is that remind yourself of your why. Why are you doing something? Why do you want to study? Why do you want that work done in the first place? Because the brain rot usually comes when you don't know why you are doing something, right? So when you actually know your purpose, ask yourself, why are you doing that? Is it for your dream university? Is it because you want to prove others wrong? Is it because you want to prove yourself? Is it for your goals? Is it for your future self? Just ask yourself why and write it on a like a note and stick it you know, behind your phone cover or maybe on your wallpaper or your table or your wall somewhere, and always remind yourself of your why, because when you actually know that why, it might sound cheesy but that will actually help you stay grounded to your purpose. So just ask yourself, why do you want to do that in the first place? I think I've given more than 10 points already about how to escape brain rot and, you know, get your life back again. including the first part of this video, of course. And I hope these points will actually help you all, because believe me when I say that I'm actually as brain rotted as you, and I'm a victim of doom scrolling myself. Because if you don't know, you can go and check my Instagram videos. You will see that I'm very different from what I post on YouTube, and my Instagram contents are extremely different from each other. But I always balance my life. Okay, if I'm brain rotted, then actually I study myself and I put myself out in academics too. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to help you all. And I'm not trying to tell you all that be extremely serious. No, life is once, live as you want it. But remember that doom scrolling and brain rot is very bad, and it will help you into nothing. It will lead you to nowhere, right? So I hope these videos helped you all. And if you guys even care, I wanted to share a few things with you all. So I could not share a lot of long form videos on YouTube the past month is because I was busy with my college work. My colleges have well, uh, my colleges have started and I was busy there, okay? And I still have not found my group yet, and I'm trying to romanticize my college life. And I don't even intend to make new friends here because I don't have any energy to make friends. Like in the first year, of course, I don't want to, because I don't know any of them. And remember, guys, that your friends in college have the potential to ruin your life in the future. Because what if they're not good? Okay, so be very cautious when you are selecting your friends this year in your new school or your new college. And yes, that's why I wasn't able to upload long form videos. And if you all know me, like from my past life, then you all would know that I had long hair and I decided to cut my hair short. Like, not short, I actually had cut it this short, but it grew. Okay. So it's like I wanted something new for myself. So it's a new me, new college, new life. Ha. I am trying to romanticize the process as much as possible, and I'm trying to stay away from social media, like the doom scrolling process, and I'm trying to study. And I hope this video helped you all. That's it for today's video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I love you all so much. Bye bye.